Homemade pasta, no. I know this is
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Your contest?
Huh?
What's the name of the contest that you're cooking? Chili? Only chili?
Chili cooking contest.
Dito pinapabayan kasi hindi kaya ng walis-walis lang. Binoblower nila guys. Ayan yung puno oh.
dried tofu. Where's
with blueberries and some chips, different types of nuts and raisins and yogurt. They are yogurt 0 calories. They are so good. I copied PAM'S what she's doing and it's good. And my matcha.
Hey, what do you mean, oh boy, you don't have any confidence? I never used to even use a recipe for chili.
Sit visit at bar or something, and I said, we are not going to smelling like a bar.
Oh, yeah, right.
So, nandito ako ngayon guys sa International Institute of Minnesota kasi first day ng aking driving class. So wala pang tao, ako pa lang yung nandito. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kadami kami kasi first day ko ngayon. At hindi ko alam kung ilang oras ang Hi. So, bali yung start ng class guys is 10 a.m. to 11. So, 1 hour siya. At sobrang layo din namin. 1 hour din yung drive namin papunta dito. Hinatid ako ng ng mga biyanan ko. Very supportive sila sa akin guys. So, wala pang tao dito. Sobrang aga ko pa kasi pa lang naman 55. So, bali 5 minutes pa yung i-wait ko. Good luck to me.
Like they're at 7, 8, 9, and then they go.
dried tofu? Where's these are really thin. Those are thinner than normal.
The smaller one, it's easy. Like if you cook it, they will. Yeah, the texture is very soft.
Oh.
May woodpecker guys sa labas. May ibon. Tingnan mo. Ang laki ng ibon. Gosh, I like the view. I like this tree guys. So pretty. It's turning already in orange and yellow color. Grabe yung hangin guys. Taglagas na dito. Ang ganda ng tunog ng wind chime. Yan oh, wala nang dahon yung isang puno kasi naglalagas na. Fall na kasi dito guys. Yan oh, ang daming mga dahon nang nahuhulog. Yan oh, daming dahon. Kasi pa-winter na. Next month yata next week malamig na ulit dito. Grabe yung paglalagas guys ng mga dahon oh. Pero ang gaganda nila tingnan. Yun oh. Ang ganda. Sobrang lakas kasi guys ng hangin. Kaya nagsipaglagasan yung mga dahon dito oh. Yan mo oh, ang dami. Kung sa may Pilipinas, panay, nito guys, panay, panay walis. Konti na lang yung dahon kasi nagsipaglagasan. Kahapon, pa to ang dami pang dahon nito. Siguro kagabi, grabe yung hangin siguro. Yan nagsipaglagasan. Maple tree to guys. Minsan may ahas dito, yung maliliit lang. Pero hindi siya poisonous, wala siyang venom.
Bombs or
Homemade sausage.
our homemade. Yeah, we made this sausage.
And this change.
Hamburger. Hamburger.
That's what? This is deer. This is venison.
Deer meat.
Deer meat. Yeah,
Venison.
it's very good. Yes,
Put some pepper
salt and pepper.
and salt.
There you go. Because this is just red pepper and tomatoes.
Beans. Black beans. Lots of beans. For tonight's dinner,
That's tonight's dinner.
spaghetti.
Spaghetti with garlic toast.
Guess who showed up for the Erickson cooking show?
Yeah.
Me!
That's right. Go get my cutter this.
I never used to do that.